So, rumors around the DJI Pocket 4's release have been all over the place. At first, people thought we'd see it drop sometime in fall 2025, like around October or November. Then others came in saying, nah, it might actually not hit store shelves until late 2026 or even early 2027, based on DJI's usual release cycle. But lately there's been one date that keeps coming up again and again, December 18th, 2025. Now, even if that date turns out to be slightly off, December feels like the right window. And there's actually a pretty good reason behind that. So there's a major deadline hanging over DJI's head. Under the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, the FCC has until December 23rd to decide whether US national security agencies will audit DJI. If none of those agencies step up by then, DJI could automatically get added to the FCC's blacklist. And that's not just a slap on the wrist. It would mean serious trouble for their product certifications and future US sales. Now, considering the US accounts for almost 40% of DJI's global revenue, that kind of restriction would hit hard. So, from a timing perspective, launching the Pocket 4 before that December 23rd cutoff isn't just smart, it's strategic. Dropping it earlier in the month lets DJI grab holiday attention and dodge any potential fallout from the FCC ruling. In short, the Pocket 4 launch could be DJI's last big push before things get complicated. Plus, there's a ton of evidence suggesting it's right around the corner. We've already seen leaked footage showing field tests, and reports hint that mass production has already started. That's a clear sign something's cooking, and fast. Now that you've got a sense of when it's coming, let's jog your memory with what to expect under the hood. The Pocket 4 is rumored to pack a dual camera setup with a 1-inch CMOS sensor tuned by Hasselblad for the main lens, and possibly a secondary telephoto using a 50 megapixel OmniVision sensor. That could mean better subject tracking, improved depth perception, and some nice zoom flexibility for creators. The display might not grow in size, but it could get a brightness boost, somewhere around 800 nits, making it easier to see outdoors. There's also talk of a secondary front display to help vloggers frame their shots more easily. Connectivity is getting an upgrade too, possibly Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and faster USB-C PD charging. Battery life's expected to see a small bump, though the body might be a bit taller and slightly heavier to fit in all that new tech. As for design, from the leaked images it looks sleeker and more premium, still small enough for your pocket but clearly built with creators in mind. There's even a rumor of two versions, maybe a standard and a pro variant, though nothing's been confirmed yet. And pricing? It's reportedly landing around $699 to $799 for the base model, and possibly $899 if DJI goes all out with a pro version. So yeah, December 2025 is definitely shaping up to be the month to watch, but we've still got a bit of waiting to do. In the meantime, if you want to stay in the loop on what DJI has been cooking up behind the scenes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more coming. Thanks for hanging out till the end. Peace.